Hi, I'm Dheria. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a 6-minute whole wheat microwave cake which has no refined sugar. I will also be sharing the oven settings, so let's get started. Let's start by making the ganache first so that it cools down and gets thick while we are making the cake. In a microwave safe bowl, take chopped dark chocolate and fresh cream. If you don't want to cover your cake with ganache, you can skip this step and move straight to the sponge. Heat it in the microwave for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, give it a good mix so that the chocolate melts. If you can still feel that the ganache has lumps of chocolate, you can pop it in the microwave for 10 to 15 seconds and mix again until smooth. If you don't want to use the microwave, you can also make the ganache over a double boiler. For the sponge, start by taking curd in a bowl. I am using homemade dahi, but you can also use the store-bought one. Add in desi khand. If you don't want to use khand, you can also replace it with jaggery powder, brown sugar or castor sugar, anything you like. Now we will add in the oil. Mix this once and set aside. In a separate bowl, keep a sieve and add in whole wheat flour, cocoa powder, corn flour, baking powder and baking soda. Sift everything together and add these dry ingredients to the base. In a bowl, take lukewarm water and add coffee. Mix together and add to the batter along with some milk. Coffee is added to enhance the chocolate flavor. Whisk everything to get a smooth batter. For baking this, I am using a silicone mold which is microwave safe. If you don't have this mold, no worries, you can bake the cake in a glass bowl or divide the batter to make mug cakes. Pour in the batter and cook on regular heating mode for 6 minutes. If you are baking in a glass bowl, the cake will take 3 to 4 minutes to get cooked on regular heating mode. While in a mug, it will only take 60 to 90 seconds. After cooking the cake, check by inserting a toothpick in the center. It should come out clean with no batter on it. If the toothpick comes out with batter, cook for another 10 to 15 seconds. If you want to bake this cake in the oven, preheat the oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. After preheating, keep the cake inside and continue to bake at the same temperature for 25 to 30 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean when inserted. After the cake completely cools down, demold it by carefully flipping the mold. Once the ganache cools down and comes to room temperature, it will thicken up. We have to cover the entire cake surface with ganache. Today, I am showing you a very simple and beginner-friendly design, so don't worry if you are not able to cover the cake very neatly, we will fix that. Once the entire surface is covered with ganache, use your palette knife or a back of the spoon to tap on the surface and gently lift it up. We will follow the same process to make this pattern all over the cake. This cake is soft, decadent and super easy to make. I hope you try out this recipe. You can store this cake in the fridge for up to 5 to 6 days. The full recipe is in the description box below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you with a new recipe. Happy baking and bye.